delicious. Food looks yum. Thanks, babe. Okay, you guys. What's up, YouTube? You already know. It's your girl, Shay.
Oh, it's your boy, AB. Haha.
And welcome to our channel. So, you guys, today, Bae has cooked up a nice meal. He made small burger sliders. We have some fries, curly fries. And we have some barbecue roasted chicken. So
And
oh, of course, and we have some good old salad.
that's to have your best at the bows.
Can't go wrong without salad.
Oh yes.
Oh, and these is pretzel buns.
Yep. Oh yeah, your boy get down. Show him one of those. So long, show him. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, that's a real slider.
This, and it looks so good too. I don't know what side.
See that? It's a nice pretzel bun. Oh yes.
And he kind of made it like a donut.
I learned that from the restaurant. When I worked at the restaurant. All the 5-star chefs. A 5-star restaurant teach you how to finesse some stuff.
And it's really good.
As it should be. Nothing but love comes from my hands when it comes to this.
Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about pranking him. And I was like, nah. Let's just...
What you gonna do now?
I'm not telling you.
Okay.
Why would I do that?
Let's try to get my prank game on.
Well, I already got ideas in my head.
Classic Ceasar. Got to have it. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. And then they already knew those people were dead. That's how cold.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Start over because they didn't hear the beginning of what you said.
Oh. Why would you pay $250,000 to go somewhere you don't supposed to be? And then they said they were doing a big search party for all these people, and they said they were already dead.
That's what I think messed up.
That's jacked up. They was giving people hope for nothing.
Nothing. And y'all, and I was worried. You feel me? Like, I was pretty much like, hopefully, y'all find them within like the few hours they got left. But y'all, whole time they already gone, and we hoping that they can get found. Y'all dirty.
They said that the Navy heard the explosion.
That's
and told the
messed
Coast
up.
Guard.
And they ain't want to say nothing to us.
I don't know why. Up. If you did, you did. Like, I don't get it. That's all cold. Especially for the loved ones. You thinking your family member, it's a possibility that you might see your family member, even though this is what, 99% rate that you might die. That's all cold.
This y'all live.
Pass me a napkin, please. I got the munchies. Don't ask me how, but I want the munchy shit. So my curly fries has sour cream on them. Don't mind if I do.
Is it good?
To me.
I don't think I'm gonna like this. But I'm gonna try.
Mm.
Because I love sour cream, so.
You have sour cream on a baked potato before, right?
Now you know I love sour cream.
There you go.
But you know it might be taste different because it's fried.
Still a potato.
It's alright.
You always trying to get me to try stuff like that.
What I try to get you to try? Hold on. You said I always get you to try stuff.
Yeah, those popsicles you brought in, them ices. Mm.
Oh, them was nasty.
Give me some pink bubble gum.
God, it was nasty though. I was like,
And they ain't had the blue one, the blue raspberry. That one was good.
it was a blue one and a pink one in there, and both of them taste like bubble
so what's
gum.
the ices we had with the little?
Oh, I do got some of them. I just got to put them in the freezer. I told you.
That's what I wanted.
Mm-hmm. Remember when I told you they had only gave me one cherry, and the rest was still blue?
That's what flavor it was, cherry.
One. Well, we had the blue kind. That kind good. I don't like cherry flavor stuff like that for real, for real. Cherry and grape is my least favorite.
And as you see, we gonna fight over these flats. Definitely gonna scrap over the flats.
Just so we don't have to, I grab a drum. But y'all
see where all the chicken at. Look at her side of the plate. Burger, all the chicken, all the fries. In front of me, salad.
while you talking about in front of you salad, I was actually finna take this plate from off you for a second. See, he a hater, y'all. I'm trying to tell you.
If I don't hate, we gonna hate. I gotta hate on you.
You put some turkey in here?
You didn't ask me to put turkey in there. Because we had hamburger and chicken. And we put meat in the salad also?
That's perfect, just like this. Ain't nothing wrong with the salad.
You see, I got my red onions and my cucumbers.
I got my red onions.
I should have told you to get some croutons. I had no croutons. Croutons?
Sorry, y'all, I had to put the salad right here.
See a whole lot of drums over there.
Eat a drum. Eat a drum. You ain't had no drums yet.
I know.
Eat a drum.
Because it was 8 flats,
Baby,
and there's 2 flats left.
Y'all, he always doing that.
Yeah, it was all 8 flat. Want everything flat except your back.
I like flats too. So what about me?
As you see, you had all the flats already. Everything is on your side.
I only ate 2.
What was you eating when I walked in the room? When I went downstairs, when I came back in the room.
I was eating a drum.
No, you was not. I've seen both of the bones. I clearly, you looked at me, you said.
You want to see both because I had spit one out already.
Exactly. So you just told yourself 2.
Christopher.
I don't know my phone. Hello. What up, Jeff? Alright, y'all gonna swing by and pick me up? Alright. Alright, all I gotta do is throw my shoes on. Alright. Alright. I'm sorry, y'all.
Yeah.
I gotta go get mama check. I've been working hard all week, so
Y'all
I hate to run on y'all.
We gotta go for a minute.
But mama need her money.
He'll be back now.
I'll get your money.
And y'all,
they like literally my cousin about to pull up now.
then you better hurry up and go.
Alright, y'all, I hate to run.
Have fun, babe.
Have fun, going to get some money.
Well. Yeah, so y'all, I got a lot of stuff coming up too. A lot of pranks. And I honestly, no lie, I was gonna get them today.
But I cook so good.
No.
Yeah.
Actually, it wasn't about him cooking so good. Because the video was actually going to be this food nasty as fuck. That was going to be the prank. But I didn't feel like doing it because I feel like we just started the channel. And I want to do, nice stuff still. We're going to be doing pranks and stuff. But, I mean, this like the, like the second official video. The first one, I thought it would be real funny doing a prank. And I was going to let this one be a prank. But I said, hey, let's just eat, chop it up, talk, like a family and stuff. And hopefully y'all join us and eat like a family. Hopefully y'all join our family and y'all eating with us. So, yeah. But yeah, y'all. Food good. And yeah. We're gonna be other stuff that we're gonna be talking about on the channel. I got a lot of pranks coming up. I got like a whole list of pranks. Okay. I ain't playing. I got pranks coming up. But it ain't like horror. It's not like horrible to where it's gonna like extra. It's funny, fun pranks. Safe, friendly pranks. And so, not like overdoing it. Cause some of y'all channels be overdoing it with the pranks. But if y'all want to see some stuff, let me know. And we also put some stuff with the kids too. With the twins, Elle, Leland, and Layden. One of the twins sound like they're about to start crying. It's almost time for them to eat. What time is it? Yep. In about 20 minutes, they'll be ready to eat. Like 20-30 minutes. But they be, even though they tell you, like, I feed them every 2 hours and stuff. Sometimes they be wanting some, like, before the 2 hours. And if they do, I will give it to them. But, babe, the food is delicious. Thank you for cooking me something nice. Because I did not feel like cooking tonight. I didn't. But the food is delicious. It was wonderful, you guys. It sound like my girly poo is up. Hold on. Let's see the baby. So, this is my handsome sir. Hey, handsome. It's kind of hot and stuff, too. So, we had... Okay, I'm coming, handsome. Yeah, you guys. So, this is my handsome fella. And he is ready to get some attention to say, I'm ready to eat, mommy. Well, he not, yeah, so, you guys, and we got, some stories coming up, too. We're gonna be doing, some story times and stuff like that. And, yeah, ain't that right, Avera? Ain't that right, Avira? Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and end this video, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get to the baby. Hey, handsome. What you looking at? What are you looking at? Hey, him handsome self. Yeah, so this is my handsome big man, y'all. What's he looking at? Say bye-bye, YouTube. Say see y'all in the next video. Say bye-bye. See y'all in the next video. Say bye-bye. Say see y'all in the next video. He be all in, y'all. Okay, you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area for your girl Icy and your boy Avira and your boy AV. Y'all, I'm so used to talking like this my personal channel, so I will get used to it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the family. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Before this video ends, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. You want to say anything, Avira? Okay. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.